and only beautiful friend, Esha. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. If you've already been to my channel and have already viewed my videos, thank you so much and welcome back. Today we're coming to you with a get ready with us video. And although I am not as comfortable as Esha, I'm using these beautiful colors. They're very bright and it's a little outside of my box, but she's the pro and she's also the pro at the wing liner. So she's gonna teach us today step by step on how to achieve these beautiful looks. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So we're gonna jump right in and Esha is gonna show us what to do. All right, so what are we gonna be starting with?
Okay, start with yellow.
Alright, so moving that.
You want to go like just above your eyebrow with the yellow.
Right.
Did you grab some?
I think I grabbed a little bit of green by accident. Oops. So right above? Yeah, like in the crease?
Where are you putting it?
You got green, Jessica. Oh my god. Alright, as you can see, I don't use a lot of colors.
And then we do orange for like, you know, your like crease.
Okay.
This one you can like go really lots. Because like the red goes on your eyelid.
Oh, okay.
And it's like, it blends in with the orange a lot, so you can't really tell that there's orange there for a while.
So roots means color. Right? We going out tonight. I'm gonna find me a man with my fire eyes.
Yeah. And then so you go with the red.
Now we're gonna be taking red, guys.
And then just put it on the rest on the bottom.
Oh! Oh shit! Damn!
Once you're done with that, you can add more orange because like mine blended right into the orange because I don't have eyelids. So
she has hooded eyes.
So I just kind of go over it in orange in the middle again.
It's kind of cool. I have to try this method with like different colors. I always stay nudes or like smoky eye. With these colors.
I know, like it's fun doing blue and purple.
Do you put anything like here?
Highlighter usually.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna put a little bit because like I'm so white. I'm just gonna blend this a little bit.
Up. I told you to put it as high as you can.
I know, right?
I just put a little bit of highlight under my eyebrow. Not much room, but whatever. Make it fit.
Ooh. Shit. Girl. Let the light hit that.
I'm all jealous now. Let me put more on.
Oh.
I usually put like for under here, like the waterline, I'll do like a blue or purple, but you can do red if you wanted to keep it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do red.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it
Alright, you guys. The best of the best in the game. So now we're gonna do our wing liner, which I'm really bad at, but she's really good at it. So you might want to look at her do it and not me.
Are you using Kat Von D?
Yeah.
Kat Von D, hey! So I just put it on my eyelid first, like a thin line. I draw a line out and then I draw the other line out, just a line to make sure they're even.
Okay.
So I just do 2 lines out and make sure they're even before I fill them in.
The thing that was with me though is I didn't pull it far enough where it didn't look like a wing liner, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, if that ain't no wing, it's just liner. You need that wing to make it a wing liner. This is cute. The hair, and the nude shirt. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. Wow.
I just need the one part I messed up on so that I can seal it a little bit.
Don't fix it with the eraser.
I need a makeup bag. My makeup does not fit in my bag.
I need to order the one that I have from Sephora.
I know. It's cool. The
$60. Good investment. Of course, 50 bucks. It's from Sephora.
50 bucks is great.
Well, I'm gonna go in. So now we're gonna do our face. I'm gonna go in and color correct.
I don't do that. I'm too brown. Everything matches.
I have like a lot of green I'm gonna have to use because I have. Here's the green one. Oh, my breakouts like all the red spots.
Oh, that helps. What do you use orange for your bags?
Yep. Big old bags.
Well, I'm gonna do my foundation because I don't have to do any of that. I just mixed my Kat Von D one, and I really like this Tarte one. If you have oily skin, these are really good.
I'm going to be using my Smashbox Skin 50 now. I'm going to wear this one.
And I've been using this, what the heck are these called?
Jelly pads.
The boob.
She's been using her chicken cutlet to blend her foundation.
I know this is too dark for me, so don't bother me.
Damn, girl. Ain't nobody said nothing.
I know you guys are gonna say something.
Anastasia foundation stick foundation.
Ooh, I have that in the dark color.
Yeah, I got it in the light color, you know. Homegirl pale here. I'm gonna go in with my setting under eye powder, my breaking powder from Laura Mercier.
I just use Fenty Beauty.
And I'm going to take my translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier and I'm gonna go set the rest of my face.
For my powder, I just use the Sephora collection.
I like it.
Pretty good.
I'm going to use my usual Bare Minerals. And now I'm going to go and contour with my Kat Von D contour palette.
I recommend that. It's amazing.
It is.
remember the last time I was this close to you. Ew! Blush, NARS, the best blush there is.
I'm going to be using it today. I got my little heart out, but I'm gonna use...
I like that one.
Yeah, it is good, eh? I got it as my gift.
Oh yeah, I got that.
My birthday gift.
Elf blush brush. You want to use mine?
Yeah. Twins. Setting spray, the Urban Decay.
Oh, fancy, fancy.
Spray the shit out of my face.
And mine too. No! No, you got me.
Now that that's done, I'm gonna go and put my mascara with my Lash Stiletto by Maybelline.
And I'm putting on highlighter from the same palette.
Da, 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 surprise,
The middle one.
surprise.
I recently just got a new mascara. Let me grab it. Oh, here it is. Mine is Clinique.
And now I am going to go in with my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette again.
Girl, you slap. And I put dark under my eyes because I like dark. I just use my brow brush from Anastasia.
You put any lipstick on?
No, because I'm allergic to lipstick. I use Burt's Bees, these ones are really good. But for my eyelashes, I just put the glue right on my eyelid because my mom taught me that. Thanks, Mom. And I bought these $35 Sephora eyelashes, the silk lashes. This way is easier too if your eyelashes always fall off. Oh! I got a little...
Oh, she did a boo-boo.
I guess I can put on lipstick. It might die tomorrow, but it's okay. Anything for the video. This one is Suede Splash.
Achieve this beautiful vibrant color look. If you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure that you leave comments below in the comment box. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And make sure that you follow Esha's photography page and her personal page. She has pretty bomb pictures on there, and she's pretty good at editing and doing all that fun stuff. So make sure you follow her page and show her some love. And we will all see you very soon. Jessica here, and today I am joined by my very good friend Esha. And if you have never
Been to this channel, you are here now. So hit the subscribe button, like the channel, or we're gonna beat you up.
Hello?